Hello friends, I welcome you all to our new channel Lockdown Maths. Let's crack it. Hope you all are good. Maths is a subject which is found to be boring or tough for many people. Don't worry, we would help you to clear the subject along with the basics and some tricks which will help you in your boards. So let's get started with our today's topic, basics of linear equation in two variable. So today we will start with understanding index. Let's understand index with an example. If I say x raised to 2, 2 is my index. I take another example as y raised to 4. Here 4 is my index. So any power raised to my variable is called as index. Now what is variable? To understand variable, variable is said to be any number or quantity which can be measured or counted. It can be your age. It can be your business income. Now with age, you tell me, it goes on increasing day by day. And if you are in a business, your income would be sometimes more or sometimes less. Correct? So any quantity which is not stable or static or which goes on increasing or decreasing is called as variable. So here x, y or z is said to be my variable. Anything which you found as a power above this variable is called as index. If I say x raised to 2, so 2 would be my index. If I say y raised to 8, 8 would be my index. Or z raised to 20, 20 would be my index. I hope this is clear. Let's proceed to another topic, coefficient. So coefficient is linked to the variable. If I write 8 x raised to 20, now it's easy here to understand that my index is 20. What is coefficient? Coefficient is any number written just before my variable. I repeat, any number written before my variable. So here I highlight which is that number. So 8 is before x, correct? So 8 is said to be the coefficient. Let's understand with one more example. Y raised to 32 and here I write half. Is the number half coming before my variable y? Yes, it is. So half is my coefficient. Now we proceed further to understand the basic structure of linear equation. Linear equation is represented as ax plus by equal to c. Now understanding more, we move to another page. So ax plus by equal to c, where a is my coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, the index of x is 1, y is 1. This kind of equations are termed as linear equation, also written as LE, linear equation. Let's take an example to understand this more. Is 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Now there are some tricks just to understand whether the given equation is a linear equation or not. So first thing is check whether the coefficient of x and y is not equal to 0 or greater than 0. So here a I write it as 2, b is 3, which is greater than 0, hence it fulfills my first criteria. Moving towards second criteria is to see whether the index of the variable x and y should be 1. Here I see that nothing is written above this x and y. So if nothing is written, it means the power is 1. So this second criteria is also fulfilled. Here I can say that the given equation is linear equation. Let's take one more example. Zero x plus 2y equal to 15. Let's check the first criteria. A is 0, b is 2. Here a is 0. It means any of the coefficient if 0, it isn't a linear equation. So my second equation is not a linear equation. Let's take one more example. So 2x plus 0y equal to 15. Here also at a glance I can say that here the coefficient of y is 0, so it isn't a linear equation. It makes identification of linear equations so easy, isn't it? So friends, before we end this video, I want you to comment with the answer of the question. Root of 2x plus root of 3y is equal to 5. Is this a linear equation? And write why. Thank you so much. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel.